So, you want to add some cool AI chat features to your product? We did too, and we want to share our journey of how we achieved production quality LLM chat features in our SaaS product. Getting AI to work in development with code examples was easy, but scaling it reliably was much harder. Even at moderate scale, keeping it reliable was a headache. Provider outages caused our product to fail at the worst times, in our case, during product demos. We needed redundancy. We needed multiple AI providers, so when, not if, one goes down, our application seamlessly switches to another. But there are still more reliability issues to solve. Each LLM provider has rate limits, so even with multiple vendors, we had to be careful not to overload them at peak times. We needed to add retry to alternate providers when we hit a limit. And if you've got customers in the European Union, you need to make sure the approved vendor is called in the right hosting region, or you'll run into some legal and adoption trouble. There were issues with how customers used the AI. They acted like kids with a new toy, clicking buttons and asking the same questions over and over again. To save some money, we cached the first response and resend it to customers next time instead of paying the AI vendor multiple times for the same answer. We also gave new customers an AI allowance so they could trial our software without running us bankrupt. And speaking of money, you don't want your customers sharing their credit cards or other personal stuff in the AI chat window. That's a no-no. To avoid PII data leakage, we redact that sensitive data by cleverly randomizing it on the way out and restoring it on the way back completely transparent to the customer. So, there you have it. That was our journey with AI. And let me tell you, it's been one heck of a ride. But we've learned a lot along the way, and we've packaged it up for you to use. If you need to roll out production-ready AI features, look no further than LLM as a service.io. With just a single line of code from a standard NPM package, you can add streaming LLM AI functionality to your product. Our control panel makes it easy to manage multiple vendors, seamless failover, customer token budgeting and data tenancy, response caching, and PII data redaction. Interested in giving it a try? Hop on over to llmasaservice.io and let's make managing LLM features in your application a snap.